Mabilis lang po.
Oo. Magandang hapon.
Kamusta po si Presidente?
Yes, okay naman siya. Nagkita kami ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa loob. Nandoon pa rin siya sa loob ng hospital. So, hindi pa siguro siya all clear. Base siguro sa assessments ng doctors niya. He's in very good spirits. Meron siyang, tinanong ko siya kung kamusta yung pagkain. Sabi niya meron namang rice. And then, tinanong ko siya kung paano yung ulam. Sabi niya, half-half daw. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng half-half. Hiniling ko about it. Half-half.
Bisaya lang tayo, Bisaya.
Oh.
Daghan yung Bisaya.
So, yes.
Regarding the legal, his legal team and his decision na sabi ni Attorney Roque, he has to decide on, has he made that decision?
Very lang no, very general lang ang pwede ko i-discuss about the legal team and the legal strategies and kung anong mga ways forward legally. Unang-una, his team is headed by Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, and then meron pa akong mga kakausapin ng mga lawyers, no. Meron pang darating na isang abogado. I-interview ko siya para sumali sa team. And then once maayos na yung team for ICC, magwi-withdraw si Attorney Medialdea kasi meron lang limited na mga slots for lawyers, and we want all the lawyers on board na merong ICC experience.
So, ma'am, ibig sabihin po, ay pinili po ng ni Pangulong Duterte na legal aid. Kumbaga, the court from the ICC
For own money.
for the
Financial
council.
assistance.
Kasi parang dalawa raw po yun. Either the court pays for the councils or it's the
Own money.
president. Own money.
Sa matter, on that matter, no, it's best if you ask Nicholas Kaufman kung ano yung direction nila, since siya yung lawyer and si former President Rodrigo Duterte yung client. So I am just here to assist President Duterte sa pag-create ng legal team, kasi every time na pumapasok ako doon, pinapauwi na niya talaga ako.
Yung
sa
pa rin na
Pilipinas.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
ano pong sinabi niyo sa kanya dahil pinapauwi na po kayo?
Paulit-ulit kasi siya sa sinasabi niya na what are you doing here? Umuwi ka na ng Pilipinas. So, ayun, inaayos ko lang yung legal team. Meron na akong i-interviewin na isa pang lawyer.
Si Attorney Harry Roque po, hindi po kasama.
So far, hindi siya kasama sa legal team, si Attorney Harry.
Bakit po?
So, dalawa pa lang po. Yung potential na kakausapin pa lang, if ever.
Meron na kaming listahan, pero yung isa kasi darating siya dito.
So, puro foreign po.
Foreign po yun.
Yes, oo.
Ilan po kaya?
Kung ilan, you may have to ask Attorney Kaufman.
Bakit po hindi kasama si Attorney Roque?
Well, because hindi pa kasi na-establish kung ano yung basis ng pag-stay niya dito sa Netherlands. And we don't want complications ba. Gusto namin nakatutok talaga yung lawyers doon sa kaso. And right now, I heard applying for asylum. He publicly announced that already. No? So we want him to focus on his asylum. And then we want our lawyers to focus on the case.
Yun po yung ginagamit yung basis din, no, to be able to get that asylum, sabi po niya.
So he can defend
the former president.
Well, that is a matter that he has to discuss with former President Duterte. No? But right now, he's not nominated as a lawyer.
Okay.